Katway is a leading brand in China's jewelry machinery and equipment industry, representing the craftsmanship and innovation tradition of the jewelry industry. Since its establishment in 1990, Katway has accumulated more than 30 years of rich experience in the research and development and production of jewelry tools and equipment, and has always been committed to providing customers with excellent products and quality services. Katway specializes in the manufacturing of jewelry tools and equipment, including jewelry making tools, jewelry casting machines, smelting furnaces, jewelry rolling mills, pneumatic engraving machines, microscopes, and jewelry polishing machines. These products are not only widely used in jewelry production, but also in many industries such as watches and chip repairs. The company is equipped with advanced automated production equipment and technology to ensure high quality and efficient production of products. Our products have been successfully exported to many regions such as North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Oceania. With years of development and technology accumulation, the product has obtained Utility Model Patent Certificate, Design Patent Certificate, CE certification, and FC certification. In order to meet the changing needs of customers, Katway provides professional customer service to ensure that your needs are responded to in a timely manner and solve. At the same time, the logistics and transportation system is efficient and reliable, ensuring that your orders are delivered quickly and safely.
Our main advantage lies in technological innovation and product control. We will control every aspect of product production to meet the highest quality requirements of our customers. At the same time, we have an experienced R&D team. We are constantly developing new products and technologies. At the same time, we also pay attention to customer feedback, continuously improve the performance of our services and products.